Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Kat Karami, Medical Director of Allurant. Today, I want to tell you about a new technology in hair restoration that we've brought on and we have had tremendous success with. It's very exciting to tell you about Alma TED. TED stands for Trans Epidermal Diffusion. And basically, it is a non invasive, pain free, no downtime treatment that allows the scalp to rejuvenate, gain health, and the hair follicles to come back. It is a great treatment for anyone that is experiencing some degree of hair loss, both in men and women. When we see you, we make sure we address all the other issues that may be causing the hair loss, make sure it's not due to thyroid, hormonal deficiencies, iron deficiency, etc. Then, if you are a candidate, move forward with treatment with TED, which is a series of 3 on average, 1 month apart, and it takes under 30 minutes to perform one treatment. How it works is a combination of low frequency ultrasound and what we call cavitation, which is using air pressure to push a combination of vitamins and growth factors past the epidermis and past the scalp. We're able to push it past with this treatment, get it to where the hair follicles are rooted so they can be rejuvenated. So, who is a candidate for getting the TED treatment? Like I said, anyone that is experiencing hair loss is a great candidate. The sooner the better, because if someone has had hair loss for a long time and they have a shiny, bald scalp, there's probably no follicles to rejuvenate. So, the sooner a person starts, whether it's after trauma or chemotherapy or hormonal changes, a young person with androgenic alopecia, like male pattern baldness, women with hair loss after menopause, after pregnancy, thinning of the hair in the temples in women, eyebrows. We see all kinds of requests and successes with TED. Really, the main thing is to come in and make sure that you are a good candidate, that there's no ongoing insult to the hair follicles, that they're not lost forever. You can actually make a difference. There are many other treatments that are adjunct to restoration of the hair. The great advantage of TED is that it is needle free, no downtime, no pain. I'm often asked, how long does it take to see the results? And that's a great question with any treatment. With TED, you may come in for your second treatment at 4 weeks, and you may see some hair growth. That we've definitely seen that. But the most common duration for seeing results is 3 to 4 months after we start the treatment, because hair takes time. We need these follicles to become healthy, the scalp environment to have more blood flow, and the nutrients to get passed to the follicles and which become new. So about 3 to 4 months after we start treatment, you'll start seeing full results. If you're wondering whether TED is the right treatment for you, if you're a good candidate and would benefit from it, come on in for a complimentary consultation and we'll take a look, rule out any underlying factors for hair loss, and address the hair loss effectively with this no downtime, no pain treatment.